going to hit over $100,000 come next year. There's no doubt. There's no doubt. What is it in the summit? How many times did you have to watch the summit?
I think I watched the summit minimum about 10 times. And wow. I think you have to keep going back and watching it because, you know, the summit tells you everything that you need to get started and to start selling. Right. So I had to take a step back because I had to actually get the store open. Right. So once I watched the summit the first time, it helped me get unstuck and actually get the process rolling to get the store open. I knew for me, you know, I wanted to, you know, incorporate a business right. and everything. So I went ahead and took those steps. Right. You showed us how to do that, yes. showed us how to get the EIN number. Yes. And it's so funny because I have been trying to research that stuff wow. for almost 2 years and wow. was so stuck. So I was able to, you know, with the summit, I was able to actually get the ball rolling, get yeah. my store opened. Yeah. It took about, I want to say maybe a week and a half.
That's it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. A week and a half to get it open. And then that was end of September. And I said, you know what? Then literally the next day I said, let me get up, put on some clothes, get out in the store, download the app and start scanning. And that's exactly what I did.
That's it. Is it rocket science? Do you need a degree to do this?
No,
it's really easy, isn't it?